What's up, beautiful disasters? It's time for another wig video. We went from day to now night, okay? We want the wig for the nighttime. We want something that's going to just, we want it all. And why can't we have it all, damn it? So yeah, we're just doing a little and I think it's only right that we start this off with the main reason for this video. I saw this wig. I had to buy it. I had to buy it. Yes, had to. Had to. I did not throw on lashes though. So, you know, I might throw on some lashes at the end of all this once we find out what wig I'm going to rock. But yeah. So I need to introduce y'all to Nisha. She is an Outre HD lace front wig, soft and natural Nisha. 203 silver and gray. Silver and gray. Silver and gray. I don't want it unless silver and gray. Silver and gray. Silver and gray. I don't want it unless silver and gray. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yes. Okay. So she is a nice little 35 point. All right. Let me just, okay. So this her little placard. She came with the placard. Okay. So let me just show y'all Nisha Cousins. Okay. And the colors. Okay. Wow. She is so soft. Oh. Y'all, she's giving me that yaki texture that I love. Okay. So she has the comb in the back. And she has a comb on the side and a comb on the side. Now, I'm not even gonna lie to you. This is definitely giving me Halloween vibes. But also, I would rock this shit all year round. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This is me all year round. This is how I feel on the inside. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh my gosh, I love this. Y'all, wait till I cut this lace off. Okay, but we got other wigs. See, I'm real super excited about this one now. I'm real super excited. But we're gonna come back to this one. Let's see who else we got. We got some other ones. Let's see. Queens is the store. Brown wig with bangs for women, long wavy hair, wig brown, highlight wig, curly wavy, synthetic wigs for girls, daily party use. This is party use. This is how she come. Maybe she, you know, we don't know. We don't know her. We judging her, and that's not right. With a little thank you card, a little customer service if you need something, 24/7. You know this.
She busting out the bag. She said, "Break me out the plastic. I want to act brand new."
Okay, so they sent me the not my color wig cap. And another thank you card. Oh, with a fresh packet. Oh, we got a fresh packet so you can keep your wig fresh. And it gives you instructions on how to wash your wig, prevent it from tangling. It has all those things. It has care instructions. It came with the Lunch Lady neck cap. All right, so she's got one comb in the bag. And she's got a comb on the side, on each side. Okay. The adjustable straps that come in it. I don't know what I was thinking. I really don't. I don't. Let's just, okay.
Oh, well. Hello. I am going to place these combs underneath my wig cap. And I'm not going to tuck them into my hair, but I'm going to place them under the wig cap. Because again, I don't run the combs through my hair. I don't secure them with my hair. I feel like it breaks, it takes my hair out. So, but I will place them under the cap. All right. Let's brush her out. Let's, yeah. Okay.
For a chance, we've got a bang. A bang, a bang, we've got a bang. A bang, a bang, we've got a bang. Okay. I feel very Tamar Braxton. I feel very Tamar. I feel like I could, well, maybe, just put on some music. I feel like I might need to sit with it for a minute. I gotta hear the right song.
This wig is definitely giving me dates. Even little Yolanda Adams on Sunday throw it on Bang Yang.
Definitely a keeper. Definitely a keeper. I mean, I am not mad at the colors either. Like, the colors was really. I like her. I like the color. She says party, but I mean, after you put a little bit of powder right there in the part, and it wasn't too plasticky either. It wasn't like that hard white plastic that was right there. It was just a little netting. You put a little, girl, you good. This is thrown on. This is thrown on. This can go to the grocery store. This is even better than the Diana Ross one. Okay, this is even if he there and he cute and you going to do your laundry. You just want him to see you.
Yeah, this is even an interview. Little thought on, I ain't had no money to get no braids because I ain't got no job yet. I can get no box braids because I need y'all to hire me. Once y'all hire me and I get that first, maybe second check. Once I get the second check, I'll be able to go ahead and get my braids. Y'all gonna see this wig for at least a 2 week, 3 week if I have work week and whole.
Yeah. So, I like it. Next. Okay, beautiful disasters. As you can see, I'm done. I am done, honey. I'm loving this wig. Okay, I used a little alcohol and a paper towel to get whatever color I got on the gray out, and I just ran it through. And yeah, I'm gonna rock this. This is so what I'm feeling right now. I'm embracing 44. 44 is right around the corner for me. I'm gonna embrace it with this wig, okay? That's right, this wig. Bye. Oh, I hope you shared, liked, followed, did all those things during this video, because y'all know it's wig season for me. So this is not over.
Deactivating. I do not understand. Do you wish to delete? All systems down.